Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. Alright, so this is how to open your Deriv account. Link is on the description. Click on create a demo account, then you put your details, your email. A mail will be sent to you, so just go straight to your mail, open your mail, and then you will see verify and start trading. So you click on it, and once you click on it, there will be a pop-up. You put your country, and then your password will be the next thing to put. Then after that, the next thing you want to do is to open a new interface to show you your demo account of $10,000. So what you do is click on the top right, click on real. Currently it's on demo. Click on real, then add Deriv account. Once you click on add, you click on US dollars. That's the currency you want to be using. Click on next. So the next thing you want to do is to fill your details. As you can see, my details are there already: Timothy, Opera, this and that. So next, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I release my next videos. Okay, so fill in your details, then tick the things that needs to be ticked, and then continue. Then click on maybe later, not now, because you don't want to deposit now. Okay, now your real account has just been created, as you can see. Now the next thing you want to do is to go over to add a synthetic and financial account, both for real and for demo. Do the same thing, and I'm going to show you right now. So when you click on any one of them, you add your password, and then you click on maybe later, then you copy the ID. All right, you copy the ID. I just did it for the real account now. So now for the demo account, add a demo account. For synthetic, you put your password. Successful, you copy the ID. That's the next thing you do. You copy the ID for demo. So do the same thing for both synthetic and financial, both demo and real accounts. Now to add it to your MetaTrader, you open your app, click on this plus sign, search for Deriv Limited. This is the demo, this is the server. So do the same for both demo and server. Then this is demo has just been added. As you can see, this is boom and crash. This is for synthetic. You do the same thing for your financial, which you're gonna see the currencies.